which is the national bird of China? Option A is parrot, option B is robin, option C is owl, option D is red-crowned crane. The right answer is option D, red-crowned crane. Kangaroo is the national animal of which country? Option A is Austria. Option B is Australia. Option C is New Zealand. Option D is Indonesia. The right answer is option B, Australia, which is the national bird of Russia. Option A is chakor. Option B is kiwi. Option C is ostrich. Option D is eagle. The right answer is option D, eagle. Which animal is the national animal of New Zealand? Option A is lion. Option B is kiwi. Option C is ostrich. Option D is eagle. The right answer is option B, kiwi. Which animal is the national animal of Afghanistan? Option A is tiger. Option B is snow leopard. Option C is ostrich. Option D is lion. The right answer is option B, snow leopard. Which animal is the national animal of Pakistan? Option A is tiger. Option B is markhor. Option C is eagle. Option D is dolphin. The right answer is option B, markhor. Which animal is the national animal of Algeria? Option A is Zenaida, dove. Option B is fennec, fox. Option C is fallow, deer. Option D is dolphin. The right answer is option B, fennec fox. Which animal is the national animal of Bangladesh? Option A is European bison. Option B is fennec, fox. Option C is fallow deer. Option D is Royal Bengal tiger. The right answer is option D, Royal Bengal tiger. Which animal is the national animal of China? Option A is European bison. Option B is giant panda. Option C is fallow deer. Option D is okapi. The right answer is option B, giant panda. Which animal is the national bird of Denmark? Option A is penguins. Option B is toucans. Option C is mute. Swan. Option D is okapi. The right answer is option B, toucans.